Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to make this Glam crystal vanity tray with crystal handles. Guys, this is our new logo. I want you guys to tell me what you think about it. I will explain what the scissors is because of the love of craft, and then the scissors is into a heart for the love that I have for you guys, and then it has a diamond down in the center of the scissors to represent the glam in all of us. So here is the vanity. I'm giving you a close-up look of it, and also I wanted you to see how well it paired with the box, the glam boxes we did. And the black and gold one is one that my son wanted. He wanted one of the boxes, and that black and gold bling wrap came from oh god, what is her name? Classy Shay, from Classy Shay, Sharon Tucker at Classy Shay's Designs. So you can go over to her channel and link up with her for the actual bling wrap. So what you're going to need for this DIY is you're going to need two 11 by 14 picture frames. You're going to need one 11 by 14 mirror. Now, one of my frames is broken. I thought I would be able to salvage it, but I couldn't. So I only end up using one picture frame, but I would recommend you do two and glue them together, and then glue them on top of, or then glue the mirror on top of those. So here I am taking the mirror apart. You just remove the gold around the picture frame, the mirror, and it comes out. And I am taking the picture frames apart because, like I said, all we need is the glass. And you see I'm trying to fix that tear in the break in the glass. I figure if I could just put it on top of the real good one, then it will work, but it didn't. So I'm just going to take the last glass out of the last frame, and then I am going to take that frame and put the mirror on top of it, and I'm going to glue that mirror to the frame. And this is giving the vanity more stability, where you can add more weight to it. So as you see here, I'm taking the E6000 and I am putting it on the back of the mirror, and then you're going to see me put the mirror on top of the picture frame, the glass of the picture frame. And here I'm doing that, just making sure everything is lined up well. And then I'm going to take the glam crystal knobs that I have, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue them down to the frame, so when we start working we don't have to worry about trying to turn the frame over later to put them on. Now I'm going to put actually 5 knobs on. I'm going to put 4, one in each corner, and then I'm going to put one in the middle for more stability as well. And I'm using the 357 and hot glue to put the knobs on. Now guys, if you don't have these knobs, you can use the tumbling tower blocks and spray paint them and put bling on them and use those. And now here I am getting ready to start putting the crystals onto the tray. And I am taking the crystals and I am sitting them around on the side of the tray, and I'm going to do that all the way around. And you're going to see me just continue to do that. You want to kind of like overlap the diamonds just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then once I get to the next part, which will be putting the next layer on, I put 4 layers on, guys, of the crystals. And then I stack the layers just like we did with the other little crystal tray that we made for the nightstand. And those I do the same thing. Each layer I go in between two of the crystals from the previous layer. Now I'm going to do 3 layers around, and then you're going to see me leave a space on between the crystals on either side, and that space is going to be for me to build our handles for the tray. And it's going to be crystal handles. We're just going to use the crystals all together by itself. No, nothing else is going to be on it. And guys, it's sturdy. I try to test it, pick it up all the time from it. I have those mirrors, the boxes on it, as well as our perfume bottle, and I lift them up by the handles, and we are good. It doesn't move, it doesn't fall apart. And I've used our hot glue that's opaque, that's really see-through, you can't really see it. And this hot glue comes from Walmart. It's the Pro brand, and I love this glue. I'm going to go back and get some more. And now you see I showed you where I left that space in between. I left it wide enough to where I want my handles, wide enough for my handles. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this layer, and then when I come back with this from this layer, you're going to see me start to build the handles. So now what building the handles, I just take the gems, and when I take the handles, I take and connect the gems, like making a bridge across there. And that's how I make them, guys. I just stack it up on top of each other and go across with it using as you can see right there, I have that empty spool of ribbon right there, and that's to give me the opening for it, and also it gives me something to start on putting the crystals on so that we can build our handles. So I do that all the way across, and I put 3 layers for the handles on. And as you know, guys, you see me using the hot glue here, and after I finish the design, I go back in with the E6000 and I make sure that everything is secured. And as you can see, the handle is made, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and that's a view that you can see the handle that's across on the top of the screen. And guys, I really enjoyed making this for you guys, and I really think that you will love it. It's a lot of bling, and as you can see right here, it's a little loose, but that's because I don't have the E6000 on it yet. But once the E6000 goes on, it goes on and it is really stiff. So guys, I really truly hope that you enjoyed this vanity tray, and I hope you guys do one for yourself. This is part of the crystal line that I am doing here on the channel, and here is the final look of it. And as you can see, it holds the 3 boxes really well, and it just came out really good, guys, and I'm really loving it and feeling it. So if you like the way that this came out, please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, as always, you know what? I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. Bye for now, guys.